What's up everybody? I hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's speed edit is just going to be this image of Mia. We did it I think last weekend, and here's the image before straight out of camera. Here's the image edited, and then here they are side by side so you can see what we've done. We've done some skin stuff, we've done some color stuff, dodge and burn, and then we fixed the background a little so it's more smooth. I'm going to go over all of this in the speed edit, so just watch what I'm doing. The main reason behind this video is to show off how I'm using my shortcuts on my hand. So you can see my right hand doesn't really move much unless I'm doing something like cropping or saving or something like that. Normally when I'm using the keys, like over here, you can see my right hand stays on the shortcut area and then my left hand only draws. This just eliminates a lot of time that you spend moving your hand up and down rather than just keeping with the edit. So I did do a video on my main channel explaining how I moved which shortcut and where I moved it to, and then in the video I explained that I'm going to do a speed edit on a photo showing what my hands do. So this video goes back to my other channel, so if you want to see me talking over the shortcuts and stuff, go over there. Otherwise, if you're coming from my main channel, thank you so much, and here's the video you were waiting for. I'm going to do more speed edits. I really enjoy doing them. I just don't know how much you guys enjoy watching them, so let me know if you want me to slow it down. This is 300% speed, so it took me about 27 minutes to do the edit. So let me know what you guys think. I will do loads more of these if you like them. Please don't forget to check the links down below. There's Amazon links to the gear I use. It all helps the channel. There's some Luminar software trials, and there is links to buy with Squarespace stuff. If you guys can do me a favor, the likes really help the videos the most, so please do a like for me, and then drop a comment. Tell me which number of the likes you were. So if you were the 5th person to like it, put that in the comments. If we can get this to 100 likes, I will create some free actions for you guys for color grading, and then I'll give them to you guys for free. I'll put it in the description. Let's get it to 100 likes. Anyway, thanks. I'll see you guys later. Bye.